Welcome to this video, guys. Let's see how we can change the source for audio output and audio input. So that means that if you have a headphone or a mic, let's see how we can change the input source from mic to your laptop mic, or from your headphones to your laptop's headphone, to your laptop speaker. First, press your Windows key and type settings. Click on settings and click on sound here. Here, as you can see, I have 4 different speakers available that are connected to my laptop. Now I can click on any one of these and audio will be played on that speaker. So this is my headphone right now and I am playing audio on my headphone. If I change this to this one, speakers Realtek audio, this will be played on my laptop. Okay, and now you can do the same for input. So I have 3 different microphones available. This is my actual mic, and this microphone array that says Intel Smart Sound Technology is from my laptop itself. So if I click on this, the microphone on my laptop will be used. So let's see if this works or not. Okay, anyway, this is for the default stuff. I am since using OBS Studio and have set my mic to use this microphone, so it will not change the audio in this video. Okay, so but this is how you can change the output and the input for your audio in Windows 10 or Windows 11. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.